Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come with a shopping vlog for my summer vegetable garden. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Now we have come to garden center. This is a very big garden center where we can buy different variety of flowers, plants, fruits, everything, all variety of plants you will be able to buy in this garden center of Home Depot. I have come to Home Depot, in which a very big area is allocated for garden center. You can see as the spring has started, to my left all these are nice backyard plants, big plants. These are like apple, pears, peach and some of the berries as well. Those are very big plants to be potted in big pots or either on ground. Now what we are seeing is the vegetable garden as well as flower garden to my left, and to the right we see is all full of backyard garden, which is nice big plants. Now we'll not be shopping on this. I have come here to buy only few vegetable plants, especially some tomatoes, bell peppers, an eggplant like that. I have planned to buy some of those. Let's have a look at these big plants also, just little bit, not much, and then we'll move on to our vegetable garden section. Here is where you can find all kinds of vegetables, especially a lot of people will buy only tomatoes. There are too many tomato plants. See, I have come early but still so many pots are empty. Everything will just fly in no time because already spring has started, yet the weather is not so good, but still everybody buy plants instantly when they arrive. This is strawberry plant. This time I will be trying the strawberry plant also, and also I have taken some cherry tomatoes, some nice big tomatoes also I took. Cherry tomatoes, big tomatoes, some strawberry plants, and also I took some eggplant, and this is peppermint, which I will not be buying. This is not normal mint, it is peppermint. Like that you will have lot of variety of plants here. You can see these all varieties are different. Each plant will be different in variety. I even bought some of the few flowering plants also. This was a very good deal. 6 plants of bell pepper is only for $4. Otherwise you will get one pot for $4. Like that same way I got eggplant also, 6 for $4. This is expensive. This is one pot for $4. Like that tomatoes I had to buy little bit expensive because small tomato plants were very tiny and it will take lot of time to grow. And this is purple capsicum. I wanted to try how does it come. Usually always every season I will have some capsicums which will give lot of capsicums in all through the summer. This time let's see how does it work. Now again I came to buy some flowering plants also. Though I am setting up my vegetable garden, I need some flowering plants for pollination, because if you have flowering plants in your garden, there will be lot of bees getting attracted and pollination will be very easy. For that reason I will be buying few flowering plants too. This garden center has lot of flowering plants also, innumerable. Garden for vegetable was less compared to these flowers. Now you can see to my right these pots are very good price, but to my left they are very expensive. The pots hanging on top are all $15 to $18. The pots in the bottom are almost $9 to $12, so I didn't buy them. The right ones were very good price. They were just only for $1.50, so I chose to buy them. Let's go inside also and see what is there, because I have to go for my billing over there. And see, you can see it's a very big garden center where you will have different variety of indoor and outdoor plants. Here a little bit weather controlled area because the weather is still not so good. They will be keeping some plants over here. Rose plants, nice flowering plants. This year what I saw was rose plants were very less. I don't know what is the reason. And you can see they have lot of different variety of potting mix for garden, for lawn, for backyards, for everything. It is different. You have to choose according to what you want. But soil I bought from Costco. That is where we get the most cheapest price for soil. That is potting mix bag. This garden center, each and every aisle has innumerable amount of things which are related only to garden, backyards, setting up any small or big gardens. Like that, you can see even pot section is very big over here, small, big and large and extra large. But I did not buy any pots here, and I don't buy pots also. Instead, what I did, I will show you in my garden setup vlog. And I do buy these type of planters, that is for my indoor plants. Sometime I will be sharing them also. See, these are so beautiful daffodils. Yellow daffodils always reminds me of my school days where I used to march past. In march past I will always be in this daffodil group. Same way it is tulips. These all are beautiful flowers which people generally buy in spring, and they will be planting in front of their houses, in front of their office or even business area. There were a lot of flowers. It's a very big garden center. And this is also one of my favorite. This is all succulent plants and even cactus variety. These succulent plants are very beautiful, but they are little bit pricey. You can see these large pots are $21 and these small are $10 to $11. They are little bit pricey, but even the small single pot, it is inside. I later on I saw that they were also very expensive. Generally these succulents will be little bit expensive only. They have so many varieties of indoor and outdoor plants. You can check on it. This is also an important aisle over here. This is nothing but decorating your garden in a little more beautiful way. They are also having solar panels in them. They will be lit up in the night time. It will add a real beautiful touch to your garden. But these are very expensive here in this garden center. If you want to buy these, you should choose to buy from either Walmart or from Hobby Lobby. The same way I came inside to do some other billing with the flowering pots. There also I see these succulents. They were really expensive but still very beautiful and worth paying the price for these beautiful baskets. So, and you can buy them, but the maintenance for these plants is very less. They will be very well doing even with less water, sitting in the light sunlight over your window. And you can see these planters also for these succulents. They are very beautiful. Now I have come to the end of my vlog of shopping for the vegetable garden. This is my final billing. Hope you all like it. Happy gardening. Let's continue with my next gardening vlog. Keep watching. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy.